Hello, you beautiful bunch. It's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an amazing week. I have my Aleana handout. I really must give her a name. Any name suggestions, pop them below for me because we really do need to personalise her. But I have it all out, ready to go. I sort of sat down for a bit of a nail play thinking, what will I do? I wanted to practice some freehand and I wanted to do something kind of summery, cute, bright, that kind of thing. So anyway, this is what we ended up with, this kind of lovely sort of sugared neon type set. Anyways, I'm starting off with this Madame Glam colour. I think it's called Playa, and it is a very, very sheer colour. Perfect for just, like lovely nude nails, but it was sort of the closest colour that I wanted, but I needed it a bit. I had to basically build it up in layers because I wanted it a bit more opaque. So I did do a couple of coats just to build the colour up, as you can see here. So then I'm going in then, once that's all been cured, I'm going in then with some no wipe top coat, and because I am going to be using some gel paints and the neon pigments as well too. So anyways, so while we're painting that on and getting ready to cure, these schools are out here for summer, and they will be, that's it now until September. So schools are out here July and August. So my daughter, she's at home. This has been her last year in school. She's been doing her A-levels and now she's going on to college to do, I think it's a health and social care diploma, in hope to head on to uni to do adult nursing. So it's very strange not having her at school anymore. That's it. It's kind of, I don't know, bit of a sort of bittersweet. It's really strange. Lovely seeing her blossom and just grow into the little adult that she's becoming, and sort of find herself and her independence and experience in the world. But yeah, it's sort of there's a bit of sadness at letting go. But anyways, I digress. But here we are anyways. I am going in here with some gel paint. And I wanted to do kind of like this, almost sort of like chevron French. I don't know why I didn't use a longer liner brush. I made work for myself with this one because a longer liner brush, would have been so much better. But I only flash cure this, and then we're going to go in with some lovely neon pigments. I've chose these colours. They are beautiful. I love them. Look at them. Oh. Okay, so because I flash cured this, so I only done like a 10-second cure for the gel paint, sorry. So it has a bit more of a sort of tackier layer because I believe that this one here actually cures without a tacky layer. Does that make sense? I don't feel like I've just made sense. Or anyway, I done a flash cure and I wanted to apply them onto what would be sort of, more of a tacky layer. It wasn't overly tacky, I must say, so they didn't particularly stick. I think it would have worked so much better had I used my gel polish for this here. But anyways, this is it. We just, we roll. So I'm going in now with some base coat, and I look like I'm applying this very oddly, but I am floating it on. Then I cure and go in with some matte top coat. And you'll see why actually in a minute. So once I have the matte top coat applied, and I've done both the pinky and the middle finger in this sort of I've done it sort of, the same design. I then wanted to do sort of a bit of a swirly design on the ring finger and the forefinger. So this is me just kind of practicing my swirls, taking forever. Honestly, I have this sped up because there's no way would I expect you guys to sit through me taking a small age literally to do a swirly nail. But I guess this is what we do when we're practicing, right? And sometimes whenever you sit at your nail table, or your nail desk, you just want to take your time and just play and enjoy the moment. Like if I'm sitting and I'm doing my own nails, I usually do them quite quick because I've kind of got a purpose, a goal, and I just want to get it done. But I think that's kind of, in this case, the joys of being able to sit, just with the hand, just with the practice hand, just sort of practicing, taking the time. I had YouTube on the go as well. I can't remember what I was watching, but I think it was some sort of like documentary type thing that was going on in the background. So I was actually at this point really enjoying myself. It was just so therapeutic. And I think that's what I love about just sitting at my nail desk some days, you know. I could just sort of sit, look out the window, watch the waves roll in, and just kind of go into my own wee creative world. And it's so lovely. I absolutely love it. Yeah, so anyways, by the time I got to this nail here, I was getting a bit more sort of confident and going a little bit more quicker as well. And I thought, oh, okay. I needed these lines though to be quite thick. So again, I flash cured, and then I'm just going in then with some more of those beautiful neon pigment colours. Just look at that orange and pink together. It just screams summer. I think if I was going away on holiday, I would love an orange and pink ombre type nail. I definitely have to get though a spray tan, because being Irish, I am as white as they come. I am literally translucent. So, but I think it looks lovely against sort of just, I don't know, just a nice warm coloured skin tone. Just love it. So I had that all cured. I was dusting it off there, and then I am going in then with, I do like to do sort of, you know, I like to float the base coat and then go in as well then with the matte top coat. The reason why I put the base coat on first is because if I was to go ahead with the matte top coat, because it's a lot thicker, it would kind of pull the pigment off. So you want to float on your base coat. Then I wanted to use some of the angel dust, and if you haven't got this in your collection, why not? It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. And this sugared over these neon colours is just incredible. I love it. I love it. So this is me going in then with some no wipe top coat, and I'm literally just going over the you know, the colours there. I'm literally just then sprinkling that on before the cure, tapping it off, and I'm just literally repeating the same. How many times have I said literally now in the last minute? Yeah. Anyways, I'm just going over that with some top coat and then sugaring on the beautiful angel dust. And once that's been double cured, this is what it looks like when it comes out of the lamp. And I love this part where it's just as exciting almost as like a top coat to me, the sort of the dusting off, and then you see the design just come to life, and it's just so pretty. So ta-da! Here is the finished look. This is our beautiful kind of sugared neon nails, and they are just so pretty, so sparkly and so colourful. So I really love these, and I had so much fun doing them and practicing my freehand at the same time, so win-win. I hope you like them too. Don't forget to say a little hello in the comments below, and yeah, I will see you all next time. Have an amazing week and take care, and see you soon. Bye.